Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify non-profit tax compliance forms with BrightPay. Full guide step by step clearly. To verify non-profit tax compliance forms with BrightPay, begin by logging into your BrightPay account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the payroll section on the left menu. Click on payroll to access your payroll details. Select the non-profit organization you wish to verify. Next, go to the Reports tab. Here, you will find various reporting options. Choose Tax Compliance from the list of available reports. Review the available compliance forms specific to nonprofits. Select the form you need to verify, such as the 990 or 941. Once selected, click on Generate Report. BrightPay will compile the necessary data for the chosen form. After the report is generated, review the summary for accuracy. Check all financial figures and ensure they align with your records. If everything appears correct, download the report for your files. If discrepancies are found, investigate the source of the issues. You may need to adjust your payroll entries accordingly. Once adjustments are made, repeat the verification process. After ensuring all information is accurate, finalize your compliance report. This will prepare you for any upcoming audits or submissions. Make sure to save copies of all verified forms for your records. Stay updated on any changes in tax compliance regulations relevant to nonprofits. Regularly check BrightPay for any updates or new features that can assist in compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.